What's this?
100 yards.
What?
100 yards.
Yeah.
And that's set at the lowest setting, which is 100 yards.
No. I don't know.
Just put one in.
Yeah. Shut up. This thing's gonna hurt.
No. Put it all the way down in.
No, it needs a stripper clip.
Stripper clip only just makes it like that. That's, you got to push it down in.
All right.
Yeah.
I'll be damned. Probably 60 plus years since this has been fired. No longer than that.
Oh, yeah. Push it down. That's down.
This thing is so short. Should we put it in a vise?
No, go ahead.
Okay, it works. I can. Yeah. Nice. That's a beast. This is sweet. Where? Oh my gosh. Yeah.